What's the deal, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today from the time lapse, obviously you see me taking a package to the garage. I pulled Hulk up on some ramps, took off the stock diffuser, so I'm pretty sure you guessed it. I was fortunate to be sponsored by a company called DOWNFORCE Solutions from California. A lot of you guys in the Instagram world or in the Subi world, I'm pretty sure you guys know about this company. And I found their products really dope, and also I wanted to change my diffuser into something a little bit more aggressive. And obviously my diffuser is already pretty aggressive. This was from ESC Fabrications. I don't know, I think the company shut down. I don't know why, but that diffuser, when I bought it, it was damn near close to $600. Yeah, and my stuff is in pretty good shape, never scratched it or anything like that. So, you know, I mean, I really don't know why the company shut down, but so I wanted something a little more aggressive, so I decided to go with these guys here. The one I got was the Evil Fin design, and you'll see it definitely, you know, when it's done. I'll put a picture up. But in the box, guys, packaging was very good, I must say. They give you your thank you card. This is your invoice right here. Invoice right here. All your hardware, all your fin pieces. So you have your two spats right here. That's your driver's side, that's your passenger side. You got your fins right here, and you got a lot of hardware. Now, guys, instructions do not come with this, so I'll try to help you guys as much as I can. All right, guys, so there's a couple big pre-drilled holes in this diffuser. This one here and this one here, it actually lines up perfectly with the hole. Where is that? This hole right here that I had from the ESC diffuser. And this one line over here, these two end ones, they don't line up. So that's the only drilling that I'm gonna have to do later on. As far as hardware goes, this one is labeled here. These are 6 1-inch bolts. These are for your side spats. The ones with the bushings right here, that's for the middle right here. I'll show you that later on. And then all these smaller ones, these are for your fins and under exhaust piece. So there's only a little drilling that you have to do. Okay? Now, just as a heads up, I know it doesn't have a lot of instructions, but I want to show you something real quick. You notice one of the fins has the number 1 right here, and this one has the number 1. So obviously this one is going to be going just like that. It's going to be going on just like that. Now, food for thought, guys. This ABS, the inside is pretty dope. So normally this would usually go on the outside, but I opted to get the glossy part on the outside just to match with the car. That's the reason why. But this section here would normally go on the outside. And I would tell you, if I had to do it over again, I would probably get this on the outside, because it's very scratch resistant. You can't see anything. So the other side can get scratched up, but obviously I'm not ignorant of my car. And by the way, the material, obviously it's ABS. It's very light, and mine is around 3/16 to 1/4 inch thick. So it's pretty thick material, but it's very light. My other diffuser was just pure metal. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, guys, so look how it looks real quick. I mocked up the hex screws and nuts. Actually looks pretty nice. Guys, just follow the pattern. It's flush with that on the outside. So this is just the middle portion. The side spats I still have to do. What I'm going to do now, I emptied the hardware with these bushings. This is the stuff right here for the centerpiece. I have already one in there. This cut washer, this is the one that actually goes up here on the where the head of this bolt is. I'll show you real quick. All right, guys, so I'm going to use the other hole just to demonstrate. So this is the cut washer right here. All you do is you just slide it in, this end, this part towards the inside, and you'll see the holes line up nice and perfect. So a little bit of R&D went into this, not bad, and then you just put the bolt through. All right guys, so this metal brace right here, I know you're wondering where the hell that goes. So now that goes up here. Watch carefully. So this portion connects to the heat shield and you're using the OEM bolt, and this part right here connects to the diffuser for extra support. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right guys, so I just mocked up the bolts to show you real quick. So the diffuser's hanging. This is this metal extension portion real quick. It connects like that. Then it attaches like so up here, and you use the OEM heat shield bolt. Just like this. This is how the OEM heat shield bolt looks connected with it. And this is a quick mock-up of how it looks. Now guys, remember this. Don't tighten anything until everything is seated in the right place. Don't tighten anything down yet. Just have everything hanging so everything seats properly, okay? So now, while the back is hanging and you have some type of stability, you take one of these bushings right here, you run it up onto the bolt, and then push it through the hole like so. And that'll give you some separation of the diffuser from this OEM piece right here. All right guys, so once you have a bushing in place, now I'm gonna start to tighten up all my bolts, which I actually did already. I'm gonna end up tightening this one here. That's the one with the bushing. So I'm gonna end up bringing the entire diffuser upward, and then once I do that, once the diffuser is high up enough, I'll be able to see exactly where I can put the other two remaining holes that I spoke about earlier, where I have to drill. Once I see that, I'll put on the side spats, and then last, I'll attach the underpiece for the exhaust. All right, look how beautiful that looks. So now, once you tighten everything up, notice how I tighten it up? Boom, boom, boom. All you gotta do is look underneath through the big pre-drilled hole. Remember, you have to drill 2 holes yourself, right? And now once you have everything up, it'll be easy. You put the drill in, like that clip you're seeing right now, and put a hole. It'll take you literally 2 seconds. Then you put a bushing in there and put a bolt and tighten it up. All right, so I'll go over a final tightness once everything is done. But it's coming together nicely. Look how dope that shit looks. Whew, that's a big boy. All right, so now it's time for the spats. All right guys, one of the spats are on. Ran into a little bit of an anomaly though. That's kind of a pain in the ass, but nothing crazy. The holes line up perfectly. As I said, these guys did some pretty good R&D on this. The holes line up perfectly with the stock holes for where the pop clips go. I haven't had pop clips in here for a long time. So, but that doesn't matter. Your hands are gonna have to do some contorting all the way in here to get the washers and stuff in there. But I can only get to 2 out of the 3 holes. The 3rd hole I can't get. Luckily, I have this bracket here for my mud flaps holding up the other piece. If I wanted, I could drill a little hole, and I have a Phillips head screw that can go in there. I really don't need to, but I can. Other than that, I already screwed this in. Yo, this shit is so sturdy, it's not going anywhere. And I mean, look at this. Like, it's good, it's good. So this is coming along nicely. So once I'm finished, I'll give everything a once over and we'll be straight. Let me just do the other side. Alright guys, so once you have everything like that done, you have the middle and both sides, Now it's time just to put this piece in. This would be the best time before this piece goes in. It'll be the best time to start tightening down all your hardware, because when this goes on, it's gonna, you won't be able to get your hands into certain places. So tighten some of your hardware down. This back support, you can always leave that for last, the support up here. Remember that support? You can always leave that for last, so everything gets seated, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, guys, this bad boy is finished. Look at how aggressive that shit is. Damn. All right, guys, also, this is a number 3 hex key. I didn't even need it. I was tightening up all the hex screws just using the tool and holding the other side on the hex with my finger. Very, very easy to tighten. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful. So now I just gotta take it down the ramps, and I gotta make sure that the spats don't touch the ramp. We'll see. All right, fam. There you have it. Came down the ramp, no issues. Look how freaking insane that thing looks. Damn. Shit is freaking wild. Look how beautiful that side profile looks. Extremely aggressive. Extremely aggressive. Awesome, awesome. Again, coming down the ramp, I had no issues. I also used a weight in front of the ramp so the car wouldn't have a big drop. I will say this, the diffuser is light, the material is thick. If you have a second set of hands, it would greatly work in your favor. I'll just put it like that. Second set of hands. Wow. I could just say wow. Anyway, guys, check out DOWNFORCE Solutions website. They got a lot of Aero parts. Use my name, Wicked Whips, for a discount on certain items. Wow. I could just say, I'm just saying wow. This thing looks badass, man. It gives it such a nasty, especially with my wing. Woo! Talk about freaking presence, man. Talk about presence. Beautiful. Guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Dope ass stuff. Dope. Love it. Once again, guys, check out DOWNFORCE Solutions, and I will talk to y'all soon.